Imagine this: unlimited money, unlimited food, unlimited free time. Sounds perfect, right? But then the problem is, in the real world, we just can't have everything we want. And in this simple problem is where all of economics begins. Hey friends, welcome to Econverse. I'm Abrar, a fellow student who taught in Oman for GCSE Economics. And in this channel, we are going to make learning economics simpler, clearer, and hopefully a lot more fun. In this video, we're going to explore what scarcity is and how it works.
So, scarcity. What does scarcity mean in the first place? Scarcity basically refers to a situation where there's not enough to satisfy everyone's wants. What does that mean? Now let's think about it from our perspective. As a teenager, what are some things that you think that you would like to have? Personally, for me, it's a cricket bat, a Mac, an iPad, some PS5, GTA 6. Oh, the list goes on. And that is exactly what I mean. Scarcity is caused due to something important, and this is called the basic economic problem. The basic economic problem. So the basic economic problem defines that in economics, there's infinite wants. That means we always have many and many never-ending set of wants. But in reality, we have only finite resources. So what happens? There is a mismatch, if you see. Both of them don't equate. So you want many things, but no one has the resources to produce all those many things. And this is what causes the basic economic problem. So essentially, moving on from this, if we look at resources, what are the resources in an economy? The resources are also known as something called factors of production. So the factors that determine production, and they're broken down into 4 major chunks. So if you look at them, there's land, that refers to natural resources. There's labor, that refers to human capital and physical labor that's involved in the production of goods and services. Then we have capital, which is human-made resources that take part in production, such as machinery and all that. And then lastly, we have something called enterprise. Now this refers to entrepreneurs and the owners of businesses. Now basically, the basic economic problem states that we have unlimited wants, but the number of factors of production that we have don't meet the capacity to meet our infinite wants. So what happens? Something we call the choice needs to take place. And this choice in economics is referred to as the opportunity cost. Now the opportunity cost, in simple terms, is the cost of making that choice. Now in the next few videos, we'll be exploring what the factors of production are, how they work, and how they're rewarded in the economy. And we'll be exploring the opportunity cost in far more depth.
If this video helped you understand economics better, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to join the Econverse. Have a lovely evening. I'll see you in the next video.